Hi, today we are going to learn about question tags. Okay, so what are the question tags? Question tags are basically question marks or small questions asked at the end of a statement or a sentence. Please note, question tag always begins with a small letter. We have to use question mark at the end. Put a comma after the statement. The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun. Use the possible shortest form like N''D, like int, etc. So let's see how it happens. So for example here, Raj is a smart boy is a sentence. How you will put a question tag to this statement or to this sentence? Raj is a smart boy. You have to write it as it is. Then as they say, we have to put a comma after the statement. So we have to put a comma. Then question tag always begins with a small letter. So this I will be a small letter, and this is, for this is, we will add not, is not, and it will become isn't. Use the shortest possible form. So that is not is written as isn't, and use, as they say, use pronoun. Okay, so we will use the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun. So since Raj is a boy, for him we will use pronoun he and put a question mark at the end. So your question tag to the statement or to the sentence, Raj is a smart boy, the question tag is isn't he. Okay, now there are two types, there are two rules. The first rule is positive question tags. Format of adding the positive question tag is verb, as here it is given, are plus subject. So subject is the pronoun plus question mark at the end. For the negative statement, use positive question tag. Let's see how. They are not coming. So not. So this is a negative statement. We are going to use positive one. So we will not add not or aren't. We will not use aren't, or we will not add not, and we will simply write are. By removing this not, we will just write are, and the pronoun is they, and we will add question mark. So they are not coming will be written as they are not coming. Are they? So this are they is a positive question tag at the end of a negative statement. He should not be rude. So he should not be rude, comma. Remove this not, write only should he. So your question tag will become should he and question mark. She is not clever. She is not clever will be written as it is. Put comma. If you write is, we will remove not and write she and put question mark. So this is format of adding a positive question tag at the end of a negative statement. Now we will see second rule, that is, for the positive statement, use negative question mark. So question tag. So format of adding the question tag is verb plus not plus subject plus question mark. She is beautiful. This is a positive statement. We are going to use negative question tag. So we will write she is beautiful, comma, is, we will use is, and then we will add not. So is not will be written as isn't in the shortest possible form, and then she, because this is a pronoun, and add a question mark. They played well. They played well. Now this is ed, so it is past tense. So we will use didn't they. So our verb here is did. Okay, so the format is verb plus not plus subject plus question mark. So here this verb is did. Did not they? He sings well. So sings. Okay, simple present tense. So does, we will use does as a verb and add not. So that will become doesn't. Pronoun is he and add question mark. They dance well. They dance well. Don't they? So we will add verb do here, add not, it will become don't they. She will come today. She will come today, comma, will not will happen, won't in the shortest possible way. So, won't she? Okay. Now, please note that am plus not will become aren't. Is plus not is isn't. Likewise, I have given the shortest possible form of all the verbs which are used in a question tag. I hope you got it.